Hi, I'm Scott Osborne here at the High Plains Expo for 21st Century Equipment here in the Island Grove here in Greeley. Today we were talking about Automation 4.0 activations and about all the things you get with it. The main things we hit on was AutoPath, implement guidance, machine sync, and then data sync finally for the final. The biggest thing that we talked about is the efficiency of the user. 93% of human interaction can be replaced with Automation 4.0. It's a tool. We are trying to get to a place where we can build autonomy with automation features. And so that comes into play with AutoPath first. We want to be able to record accurate guidance lines. We need to have good boundaries for AutoPath. And turn automation is going to allow us to turn at the end without any input from a user. A lot of people are already utilizing that now. You can do that now. Finally, when you get to the harvest side, we have machine sync, and that's going to allow us to empty the combine efficiently while utilizing features to maximize efficiency. And that's the long-term goal of machine sync. It works pretty good right now. We're moving to a place where they can focus on driving the combine and they only have to click that unloading button. This Automation 4.0 is big, and that G5 Advanced license is also big. And when you get one of those features, you get the other two as well. So it's a really good combination. I hope to have people use it.
Hey everybody, I'm Eddie Tilton. I'm at the Ag Expo today. I'm originally out of Burlington, Colorado, and I'm part of the Precision Ag Consultant team. One of the classes I'm teaching today here at the Ag Expo is Advanced Tech, which also includes AutoTrack turn automation. AutoTrack turn automation is one of my favorite pieces. The ability to consistently make the same turn regardless of your environment, whether it's dusty, sun's in your face, or maybe it's operator inexperience that is your limiting factor. I had a customer, had never touched turn automation before, didn't want anything to do with it. They were just fine turning at the end of the field. We set it up for them one time. From then on, all of their tractors had to have turn automation. It was almost as essential and a necessity as AutoTrack was. They didn't want to do it without it. It made such a perfect turn every single time that they had to have it. That's what I love about AutoTrack turn automation. It's the ability to make repeatable turns. With recent software releases here in the last year, they have added the ability to do AutoTrack turn automation on combines as well. So you can do it on your tractors, and then they'll soon be releasing that for sprayers. Lots of guys don't realize that they already have it as a part of their automation or advanced license on their display. If you guys need any help getting that set up, just go ahead and reach out to a PAC member or the CTAC group, or even your salesman. We're all trained up on it, and it's real easy to turn on.
My name is Jared Wyatt with 21st Century. I work in the Customer Technical Assistance Center. We're basically the call center where people call in with problems on anything from lawnmowers to tractors and to the displays and the technology, and we help solve their problems over the phone. If we can't solve them over the phone, we get them to the right people in our service departments or parts departments that can take care of them. Just got done teaching a class on implement guidance and also AutoPath. AutoPath takes guidance to the next level. It maps exactly where the planter went throughout the field, every row. So say you went around a water hole, or say you went around a pivot point or your end rows. It maps every place the planter went, maps those rows, and makes guidance lines that follow exactly where those rows are, keeping the next piece of equipment that comes into the field, whether it be a cultivator, sprayer, defoliator, or the combine, keeps that next piece of equipment on that row exactly where it needs to be. AutoPath also takes and makes all the guidance lines in the field at once. So not only do you have your straight lines through the field, but you'll have your end rows already mapped out and ready to go. No more fumbling with stopping and changing from this AB curve to this circle track to this straight line. All your guidance lines are pre-populated for the field. You just enter the field and away you go on all your guidance lines. Even if customers are utilizing older tractors, you know, say aughts, 10s, 20s, 30 series tractors, and even through the early R series tractors that do not have a Gen 4 or 5 displays, there's an Essentials kit out right now, get you into a newer style display, G5 display, and get you into that latest technology. That way you can take advantage of the latest stuff to make your farming life easier.
I'm Chad Young with the Precision Ag Consultant team. I'm based out of Ogallala, Nebraska, and with me right here I have our Precision Ag Essentials package. And with that package we're getting a Starfire 7000 receiver, a G5 Plus display, and your choice of an R modem, or we also have an M modem option. The biggest reason we're showcasing this is because of the input cost of $2,000. So for $2,000 we're getting a receiver, a display, and your choice of modem. Let's just say you were going to go buy the receiver. The receiver alone is $4,600. You got the display that's $10,000, the modem that's $500. You know, you're pushing the $15,000 to $18,000 range to initially get into a GPS system. Well, with this Essentials package, you're paying a yearly subscription license fee of, if you just want auto track and section control, it's right at $2,000 a year, or you can bump up to the advanced package. That's $4,500 a year.